winter time comes around and all the cold drafts find their way into the house. So there's a couple of things with doors in particular that you can do to eliminate said drafts. First, check the condition of the weather stripping in the door. Typically, there's just a channel. You buy new weather stripping, slide it right into the channel. That would be step one. If you're still getting drafts, a lot of the time you will get drafts in the lower corners, and they make these corner weather stripping pieces with adhesive on them to solve that. So depending on which way the door swings would be the way that you install these. So obviously wherever the door needs to close would be where you put the narrow part. So if we are experiencing a draft in the corner here, we would stick that just like that. Try and get it nice and flush. And then one other option, say you do all that and you still have a draft that is entering. They make this silicone tape that basically just has adhesive on one half of it and then the flap. This way, when you close your door, that closes the gap and will keep all of the draft out. I will link all of these products in the description, and as well as on the end screen of this video, I will link a couple of other videos as well as a playlist where I explain how to eliminate drafts from your AC return vent, your AC ducts, as well as the attic stairs. Links to these as well as the larger weather stripping will be in the description.